Hello, today we'll study the mensuration. Let's discuss some formulas of mensuration. So first we'll discuss about the square. Square, we will take side of square as A. In square all the sides are equal. So side of the square is A. So perimeter, how we'll find the perimeter is sum of all the sides. So it is A plus A. Unit can be centimeter, meter, anything. So perimeter is 4A. Now area of square is length into breadth. Length into breadth is length is also A, breadth is also A. So area will be A square. Okay. Now diagonal. This is the diagonal. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, this is square. If we apply the Pythagoras theorem, A and this is the diagonal, D square is equal to A square plus A square. So D is equal to root of 2A square we have. So diagonal will be root 2A. So formula of diagonal is root 2A. Area is A square. Perimeter is 4A. Now next we'll go to the rectangle. Next we'll study rectangle. In rectangle we have two sides. Two are longer sides and one is shorter side. So we'll take this as length and this as breadth. Perimeter, so first L is length and B is breadth of rectangle. DTH, breadth of rectangle. So perimeter is you have to add all the four sides, is L plus L, B plus B, that is 2 length plus 2 breadth. So we have the formula 2 length plus breadth. And area, formula of area is length into breadth. And again, to find out the diagonal you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. D square is equal to L square plus B square. D is equal to square root of L square plus B square. Now next two-dimensional figure is circle. Circle has a center and from center we have our radius, and from one part to another, this is D is equal to 2R. Okay, so R is radius of a circle, D is diameter of a circle. So now perimeter of the circle is, formula of perimeter is 2 pi r, and area of circle is pi r square. In the next slide we'll do, here only we will do semicircle also. we'll do in the next slide. Semicircle is a one more two-dimensional figure. Semicircle or hemisphere. So this is D. Now perimeter will be, perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and this is pi r. Area is pi r square by 2. Again diagonal is 2r. Now in the next slide we will study three-dimensional figures. Now we will study three-dimensional figures. What we studied before were two-dimensional. First we study cube. In cube all sides are equal. So we will be studying cube. So each side is A. We will consider each side as A. So now total surface area, for three-dimensional area we have total surface area TSA, we call it as TSA, total. One more additional feature for three-dimensional figure will be volume. Total surface area, that is total surface area. So total surface area, there are 6 faces. In each face is a square. Each face is a square. So area of each face is how much? Each face is a square. Area of each square is a square. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. So total surface area will be 6a square. Now volume is length into breadth into height. Okay, L is for length, B is for breadth and H is for height. Okay, so A into A will be A cube. Now diagonal, for diagonal it is three-dimensional, so we have root 3. You just remember this, it is root 3a, diagonal of a cube. First figure is cube. And next we will go to cuboid, where each face will be rectangular in shape. Second is cuboid. Each face will be rectangular in shape. Each face is rectangular in shape. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. Okay. Again we have 6 faces. So total, see each face is a rectangular. So this will be length into breadth and area of this will be length into breadth. Since we have height as well, see for this it will be length into breadth. For this figure, when you see, for this rectangle, the two sides are, for this rectangle, two sides are height and breadth. So this will be height into breadth. So these are two rectangles with height into breadth. These four, one is length into breadth. This is this, and this one is length into breadth. And two more rectangles will be like, I don't two more rectangles will be here, where length into height, two more rectangles, length into height. So length into height, these two opposite faces are length into height. Okay, this green one are. So what will be the total surface area? See, 2 length into breadth plus 2, this is length into height, length into height plus 2 height into breadth, total 2 LB, LH and HP. This will be the total surface area, and V volume will be length into breadth into height. Now we introduce one more term, lateral surface area. Okay, lateral surface area is 2 HL plus 2 HL. It considers 2 HL and 2 HB. Okay, it consider only side spaces. Only lateral surface area does not include length into width, that it does not include top and bottom. It only covers the outer surface. That is this 4 sides, lateral surface area, and diagonal will be root of L square plus B square plus H square. Sorry, this will be H, B square plus H square. And next is very important, cylinder. We have one circle at the top, one circle at the bottom, and for this circle, this will be the radius. Okay, this will be the radius, and this is the height. This is the So this is the cylinder. First we will consider total. Only curved surface area means leaving the top and bottom. Leaving the top and bottom, what we have is curved surface area. Curved surface area is what? Curved surface area in this, the same which we had as lateral surface area, is similar to the lateral surface area, that is excluding top and bottom of cylinder. Okay, curved surface area. Now what we have is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the perimeter of circle. So this is circular in shape. You can see this is circular in shape. So it is 2 pi r. In addition, we have height. That is, circular rings are arranged throughout this height. So it will be 2 pi r h is the curved surface area. Now next is total surface area. Total surface area includes top face and bottom faces of a cylinder. So what we have is 2 pi RH the circumference of the top circle will be what? So till now we consider curved surface area. The surrounding is 2 pi r and height h. Now you have to consider these areas of bottom plate and top plate. What will be the area of the top plate? It will be area of the circle. So it is pi r square and bottom circle will be pi r square. Now the resulting formula will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. You can take common outside, 2 pi r h plus r. This will be the formula. And for volume we directly have a formula. Volume is, if in the question they may ask how much milk this container which is cylindrical in shape contains. That time, to measure how much milk it contains, you have to measure the volume. And the volume will be inside space. It is pi r square. Curved surface area is perimeter of the circle into height. Volume is area of the circle, pi r square h. So formula will be pi r square h. Next we will be doing pyramid. So pyramid, it is triangular in shape and it has a base which is circular in shape. Base is circular in shape. So we will be having the triangle for pyramid and base is circular in shape. Base is circular in shape, and for this circle we have radius. We have radius r and perpendicular to this. This is the height and this is L. This is perpendicular 90 degree. So now we'll find out. Suppose you can get the example. This will be the flooring of the tent. Tent will be in the shape of the cylinder, and this will be the base, will be the flooring of the tent. And if they ask the question like you want to build the tent, you want to construct the tent, only outside covering of the tent, then you have to use curved surface. Only outside covering of the tent means curved surface area. That is, you have pi r perimeter plus L. Only outside surface area of the tent. Okay. And when we have to do flooring also, total surface area, what you have to include is pi r L plus area of that circle, that is pi r square. Pi r L plus r. That is, you can write down in the bracket and remember. Cloth, it's like cloth required on outer surface of tent. Cloth for base as well as outer surface. Now remaining is volume. When we have a cone shaped vessel and you want to fill the liquid and all, so volume of the cone is 1/3 of that of cylinder. So volume will be 1/3 of pi r square h. And this L, you have to find out L. For L, you can see it is right triangle here. This will be the radius. We have 90 degree, H and L. L you can find out as root of height square plus radius square. L is slant height. L is slant height. Okay. Now next we will be doing sphere and hemisphere. Sphere is a three-dimensional figure, but I cannot draw here three-dimensional figure, so we will be taking a circle type, and this is the three-dimensional figure sphere. So now area of the sphere. Sphere and hemisphere we have total surface area. Radius will be r. You can take the example of football or any volleyball, anything for the sphere. Okay, total surface area will be 4 pi r square, and volume you should remember, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And next we'll go to hemisphere. We'll be doing hemisphere here itself. Hemisphere is, we will have half a circle and base will be circular. Base will be, so this is the hemisphere we have. Okay, this is the hemisphere, and this will be the base of hemisphere. Okay, now total surface area, total surface area will be of the entire circle. Total surface area is 4 pi r square. Of half circle will be 2 pi r square, and 1 we have at the base. This area of this circle will be pi r square. So total surface area is 3 pi r square. Now volume of hemisphere is half of volume of sphere. So it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the important formulas to remember in mensuration. I hope you have understood this. Please subscribe the channel to get more such information. Thank you.